Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Airline Commander Level 1. First, familiarize yourself with the cockpit layout and primary controls. You'll start with a small aircraft, so practice gentle throttle adjustments and rudder inputs. The initial tutorial flights are crucial for mastering basic maneuvers like taxiing, takeoff, and maintaining altitude. Pay close attention to the on-screen prompts for a smooth start to your piloting career. Once cleared for takeoff, smoothly advance the throttle to 100%. Keep the aircraft centered on the runway using rudder control. At rotation speed, gently pull back on the stick to lift off. After liftoff, retract your landing gear and follow the green navigation line on your heads-up display. Maintain the assigned altitude and speed to avoid warnings from air traffic control. As you approach your destination, begin reducing your speed and deploying flaps in stages. Extend your landing gear when instructed. Use the Instrument Landing System, or ILS, to align your aircraft perfectly with the runway. Aim for a smooth touchdown on the main gear first, then gently lower the nose wheel. Apply reverse thrust and brakes to slow down and exit the runway. To truly master Level 1, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to retry flights to improve your scores and earn more credits. These credits are essential for unlocking more advanced aircraft and expanding your airline's reach. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Keep flying, and soon you'll be a top airline commander.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.